3, 2, 1. Welcome to my machine.
Oh! Hey! Bonjour Hi, my friend. Welcome back to the Shed, a creative workshop. Today, we're doing a neon sign using this plank. I will cut my alternate logo, which look just like this, and I will cut it and put neon stripe in the plank. Pretty simple, eh? And then I will solder everything using the reward from last video, a soldering station. Now what I have to do is print the logo on a sheet paper and glue them on this, and then I will route the logo on the plank. Let's do this. Okay, see you. This is my logo. This is a T, an S, a C, and a W for the Shed, a creative workshop. This is the neon strip that I will put into my design. I need to follow the line and route it with the router. I am not sure if it's a good idea, but I will take this with glue and glue this on this. Before routing with this, I will make a test on this. As you can see, this is not perfect, but it's kind of working. Okay, my friend, here goes nothing. A little tape repair. We're back. I have cut my logo into the plank. It look a little bit janky, but you know, I'm pretty happy with it. Now what I need to do, I will add the lead strip in the line that I made. I'm not sure I ordered enough, but we'll see. little line here. This is where you need to cut. Yes. This is only what I have left to do the S, so I hope it's enough. This is this is what I have left. Everything is all right. Ta-da! Yes! Okay, it's time, my friend. This is the reward from last episode. I never soldered before, so this will be an experience. Up. I will need to cut a little bit shorter, I think. Yes! It's working. Yo, the soldering is done, my friend. I'm finished. I only have a couple of burn on the tip of my finger, but you know, it's the beginner not luck. Eh? Fait que I will finish this board. I will try to go around and cut the excess wood. So that's the next step. And then after that, I will sand it. Just gonna sand it! And after that, I will finish the connection with the neon LED. And we'll be done with this project. I don't have anything else to do it with but this. So I'll try to make a rough cut with this, and then with the router I will make it more beautiful. You could say it's working. It's not the best, but it's working. a cement gloss varnish will go on this bad boy. And that's it, my friend. Just like that, we're done. My setup now look just like every other YouTuber. It has a neon sign in it. But instead of ordering it online, I did it myself. The project looked exactly like what I had in mind. Completing this quest, I gained 72 XP. This was a very creative project, but also a quick one. I am now shy of 2 XP to get to level 3. Classic! There will be no quest reward for today. Before letting you go, here's your favorite part of the video, just the tip. When you have a plank and you want to make a straight line, you take a level and you put it in between your bench stock guide and your plank. While going through the cut, you need to push the level and the plank at the same time. When the plank is cut, you flip the plank and you do a second cut. The second cut will follow the straight line of the other side. After that, you should have a straight plank. This tip works for plank under 4 to 5 feet. That's it. That was my tip. I gave you just the tip. That's it, my friend. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, The Shed Creative Workshop. If you want to make a neon sign just like I did, I put all of the materials in the video description. That's it. Easy peasy. See you in the next video, my friend.
System shut down.